Hello and welcome to this video on how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about investing in cryptocurrency, from understanding what cryptocurrency is to deciding which coins to invest in. So, whether you're a complete newbie to the world of digital currencies or you're looking to expand your investment portfolio, keep watching to learn how to invest in cryptocurrency. Chapter 1: Understanding Cryptocurrency. Before we dive into the world of cryptocurrency investing, let's first make sure we're on the same page when it comes to understanding what cryptocurrency actually is. In this chapter, we'll cover the basics of cryptocurrency, including blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies versus traditional currencies, and the different types of cryptocurrencies. Chapter 2: Getting started with cryptocurrency investing. Now that we understand what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about how to actually start investing in it. In this chapter, we'll cover the steps you need to take to get started with cryptocurrency investing, including setting up a cryptocurrency wallet, choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, and buying your first coins. Chapter 3: Evaluating cryptocurrencies. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, it's important to do your research and evaluate different coins to determine which ones are worth investing in. In this chapter, we'll cover the different factors you should consider when evaluating cryptocurrencies, including their market capitalization, reputation, development team, and more. Chapter 4: Understanding cryptocurrency risks. As with any investment, there are risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency. In this chapter, we'll cover some of the potential risks associated with cryptocurrency investing, including volatility, scams, and regulatory risks. We'll also discuss some strategies for mitigating these risks. Chapter 5: Investing strategies for cryptocurrency. Now that we understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency investing, it's time to talk about some strategies for investing in the digital currency space. In this chapter, we'll cover some popular cryptocurrency investing strategies, including long-term investing, day trading, and hodling. Chapter 6: Crypto trading and taxation. If you're actively trading cryptocurrencies, it's important to understand the taxation implications of your trades. In this chapter, we'll cover the basics of cryptocurrency taxation, including how gains and losses are calculated, the tax implications of different types of cryptocurrency transactions, and more. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of this video on how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners. We hope that you now have a better understanding of what cryptocurrency is, the steps required to start investing in digital currencies, and the strategies and risks involved in cryptocurrency investing. Remember, always do your research, invest only what you can afford to lose, and stay up to date with the latest cryptocurrency news and trends. Thank you for watching.